Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. With all your
Hi guys, so this is my first IGTV and I'm gonna turn this into these. So if you want to know how I got this look, just watch the video. Take care of my hair first. Jadi gue tuh baru keramas kemarin sebenarnya, tapi lepek because I work out every day, but I didn't like to wash my hair every day, jadi nggak sinkron. So my savior is that dry shampoo. I'm gonna dry shampoo my hair first and then like comb it a little bit and then nyatok. But I'm not gonna show you how because I'm not really an expert in this. Just wanna make it a little tidy. We're done with the hair. Makeup that I'm gonna do today is an everyday makeup look. First of all, I'm gonna do this eye corrector. So this is the actual makeup that I use if I wanna go out. So how are you guys doing during this corona pandemic? I've been in the house for 2 weeks and this is why I make this video because I'm bored. I'm bored seeing my face in the mirror without no makeup. So I decide I'm pretending that I'm going somewhere today, putting on nice clothes, getting my hair done, putting on makeup. So usually when I go out, I'm not using foundation or anything, or like BB cream, cushion. I only use concealer, but I kind of like use it everywhere, all over my face. So I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me in the shades of medium 25. Just gonna put it like under my eye, the places that I have severe redness. I blow my nose every time, so my nose are very red. It's gonna take a while, so I'm gonna blend while I talk. So what you guys been doing during this pandemic? I'm not working karena aku kerjanya diliburin because I work with kids, so it's very dangerous if I still working. Semua karantina ini aku mikir, padahal gue baru 2 minggu, tapi gue ngerasa kayak gue udah melewati beberapa fase gitu loh. Kayak hari-hari pertama gue lalui dengan malas-malasan karena kayak oh my god libur, seneng banget, nggak kerja, nggak bangun pagi gitu-gitu kan. Jadi kayak bangun siang, terus kayak nggak mandi, terus kayak ya udah chill aja gitu tiap jam, kayak nggak ada yang berfaedah yang gue lakuin. Tapi makin kesini, kayak makin hari tuh gue makin kayak pusing gitu loh, kayak aduh gue ngapain lagi ya, kayak gue capek sendiri dengan kegiatan gue sehari-hari yang bermalas-malasan gitu. Sampai akhirnya gue berhenti malas-malasan dan gue olahraganya pagi. Kayak gue kadang kalau olahraga tuh sore karena males, tapi sakingan gue udah males-malesan gitu. Kayak gue males untuk males-malesan karena terlalu lama di rumah. Kayak gue udah bosan untuk males-malesan karena gue udah kelamaan males-malesan. Jadi gue bangun pagi, terus gue berjemur, terus gue olahraga, terus gue mandi. Jadi udah seminggu terakhir ini gue mandi selalu di bawah jam 11, which is weird for me karena kalau gue libur ya gue nggak pernah mandi pagi gitu. Paling yang tuh jam 12 paling cepat maksudnya. Tapi sekarang gue mandi di atas apa di bawah sih, di bawah jam 11 siang. Gue mulai, ya gue masih nonton lah ya series, anime, Korea, film, tapi kayak in between I still did a lot of hal berfaedah. Kayak I read books, gue suka baca, I read a lot of books, but it's not my priority compared to watching movies. Movies tuh maksudnya include series atau anime or whatever. So I'm bored watching movies and series, jadi gue mulai baca buku lagi gitu, karena gue masih beberapa banyak buku baru yang belum gue baca. Waktu itu buku-buku yang beli di BBW, kalau kalian tahu BBW. Jadi gue beli banyak buku, nggak ada yang gue baca karena gue nggak sempat, dan sekarang udah mulai gue bacain lagi. Oke, a little brag. Sekarang mau pakai bedak. Ini bedak Marks, very cheap, very good. Sekarang gue banyak baca buku, banyak masak, coba-coba resep baru. Dan menurut gue semua orang kayak gitu sih, yang gue lihat tuh banyak yang gue follow di Instagram tuh semuanya rata-rata snapgram masak, karena ya orang bosen gitu. Jadi kayak lucu aja sih lihatnya, jadi banyak orang masak ini masak itu, gemes banget. All of my friends turning into professional chef, thank God. Jadi I don't usually use a eyeshadow, tapi kalau misalkan kayak lagi lama banget nggak keluar rumah, terus tiba-tiba pergi gitu jalan ketemu temen nggak mau segala macam, aku tuh jadi seneng dandan gitu loh. Jadi kayak suka nambah-nambahin eyeshadow sendiri. Jadi sama kayak hari ini, walaupun aku nggak kemana-mana, tapi aku mau pakai eyeshadow cause I'm bored and I wanna do something a little bit more. But I'm gonna make it very simple and I'm not gonna even use eyeshadow. I'm just gonna use bronzer. Nih, tempatnya udah copot. And this thing is huge, jadi nggak habis-habis. I miss my friends, you know. I know I didn't see my friends a lot, tapi seenggaknya kalau nggak ada corona tuh there's still hope, yang kayak kalau tiba-tiba dadakan mau ketemu tuh bisa gitu loh. Tapi sekarang tuh kayak ketika gue udah kayak pengen banget ketemu, gak bisa gitu. I don't like people tell me what to do, and by people I mean corona sucks. And then the next step for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this blush from Maybelline Fit Me. Oh my god, this is like the best blush I've ever used. To be honest, I haven't used a lot of brush in my entire life, so I'm not sure about my statement, but so far this is like the best one. Aku nggak tahu kalau warnanya yang lain bagus apa enggak, tapi warna ini yang peach itu bagus banget. Kenapa bagus? Karena kayak warnanya tuh nggak langsung ngejreng, jadi kalaupun kita ambil banyak dia kayak masih keluar banget, tapi itu nggak yang ngejreng, jadi buildable. Kalau mau pakai yang lebih menor juga bisa, tapi kalau mau yang biasa aja juga bisa. Dan dia tuh kayak ada sedikit glitternya gitu, tapi jelasannya gimana ya, pas dipakai itu nggak kayak blush yang ada glitter ya, tapi itu kayak seakan-akan kalau habis pakai ini doang nih ya, kita kayak habis pakai blush on terus pakai highlighter yang terpisah gitu. Jadi warnanya tuh bisa, nggak ngerti caranya gimana, tapi kayak gitu di muka gue. Dan sekarang aku mau pakai warna ini, si blush ini buat di telapak mata gitu loh guys, di sini nih bagian dalamnya. And right now I want to talk about what did you do to your body differently after corona, kayak vitamin gitu-gitu. Kalau aku personally pasti ngejemur ya. Aku baru banget sih mulai berjemur, kayak baru 3 hari. Aku sekarang jadi berjemur karena corona. Kalau dari dulu sih aku selalu minum vitamin, tapi sekarang kayak lebih ekstra gitu. Satu propolis, tapi propolis yang pil gitu. Terus satu lagi kayak ada vitamin E, mamaku yang beli, kata itu bagus buat daya tahan tubuh. Terus sekarang aku tiap hari rutin minum redoxon, kalian tahu kan yang dilarutin itu. Sama rutin minum jamu. Kalau jamu bikin sendiri, mamaku yang bikin kayak cuman ngegodok ya kayak kunyit dan lain-lain itu. Terus pakai gula merah segala macam, itu tiap hari pas aku minum. And I'm telling you guys, I hate jamu, tapi I'm aware of this thing is like a pretty huge thing yang gak bisa diremehkan. Jadi ya aku nggak mau minum aja gitu. Jadi itu yang berubah sih in my body, kayak tiap hari aku jadi minum lebih banyak vitamin dan lebih banyak minum-minuman kayak redoxon dan jamu gitu. Dan sekarang aku kan pakai eyeliner. Nah sebenarnya kalau aku pergi-pergi ke mall nih, eyeliner tuh kayak optional gitu loh. Kadang kalau aku lagi males aku nggak pakai, tapi kadang kalau I'm feeling a little bit extra and I want just like look a little bit extra pretty, I'm gonna use eyeliner. Tapi makanya tuh tipis banget, bukan yang kayak dibikin model-model wing atau gimana gitu, karena emang aku pakai ini cuman biar mata aku lebih kayak popped. And you will see the difference just in a second. And this is the after, as you can see nothing much has changed, just like my eyes like popped a little bit. And right now, this is the most important part of my eyes. Mascara. But I love this mascara. This is from L'Oreal Lash Paradise, but it dries out very fast, so I hated that. Tapi aku ada triknya, yaitu dengan dikasih obat mata. Dan dia akan sedikit melemas gitu loh. So this is mascara after 2 layers. Eyebrow pencil. This is from Maybelline. Tapi ini udah tumpul banget, kayaknya mau diserut dulu. So this is nice and sharp right now. And let me tell you, this eyebrow pencil is damn good and it's very pigmented. So after you shredded it like this, you have to be very careful while using it, so that comes off very thick and end up you looking like a Shinchan. So yeah, be careful. Jadi kalau udah lagi baru dirawat gini nih, aku biasanya kayak tipis-tipis aja dan nggak pakai tenaga gitu loh, kayak ngambang gitu, karena kalau nggak akan hitam terjadi kayak sinian. I miss going out. Seriously. And it's coming from an introvert who doesn't like going out, but of course I like to went out like once in a while and talk with my friends and everything, but just not like a lot. But being at home like 24/7 for 2 weeks straight really does something for me. I'm bored. And I know I should be grateful because I am be able to stay at home and be safe. And the only thing that I have to concern is what movie that I should watch next. You know, what food that I should order next. And not a lot of people are as lucky as I am. So I should be very grateful for that. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the other eyebrow. Next, I think I'm gonna brush off my loose powder with this brush. So, this pressed powder ini dari Sari Ayu Marta Tilaar, which is my favorite brand of all time. First, it is local, and all of their products really good. Skincare, body care, makeup, gak ada yang jelek, and they're cheap, affordable. So what more can you ask, you know? So I'm just gonna take this pressed powder with a powder brush and then just like put it under my eyes. What it does, it gives a little bit more coverage, and then just to like set everything, karena muka aku itu kombinasi itu kayak T-zone sini, jadi I'm just gonna make sure everything is nicely made, jadi nggak begitu cepat minyakan. Jadi aku terutama pakai juga tempat-tempat yang aku pakai concealer and everything. Ini warna putih langsat. And I'm gonna take this super small brush and then put it under my eye to balance the upper eyeshadow. Doesn't really do much actually, but whatever. I am right now gonna bronze my face because I look super white right now, and I don't look like that I have a cheekbone because I'm a bit chubby because I'm fat now. So I'm gonna use this bronzer. I'm not gonna use a contour because I don't have one, but probably gonna buy that someday. I don't know, just gonna mix it both of this color and just look Kalau aku tuh lebih suka mau kontur hidung tuh pakai jari, kayak lebih enak aja daripada pakai brush. Okay, next step I'm gonna use is blush. Oh my god, I haven't seen my face with full makeup like this. Gak full makeup sih, maksudnya kayak makeup yang rapi gitu. In weeks, I miss you makeup. Lihat kan, ada warnanya tapi nggak too much. Love it. I really like putting a highlighter on a teardrop. I think it really does something to your makeup, makes it more pretty and beautiful, and it definitely brightens up your eyes. Lip tint. Typical Asian, always use lip tint on every occasion. I think we're done with the makeup. I'm just gonna hair a little bit and change my shirt because it's ugly. Yep, so this is the kind of look that I usually go for if I went to the mall and everything. This is probably the first thing I'm gonna do when it's all done. I'm gonna go to the mall because that's my favorite place on earth to have fun, because there's a lot of things that are packed into one place. Plenty of things to see. There are bookstore. There's a lot of people. I love watching people do. And this is the makeup I'm gonna go for if I go to the mall. I know my hair is a mess because I don't really know how to do my hair, but I know how to do my makeup, so you can follow the makeup and you can skip the hair. Probably you guys have a better hair. So y'all, peace.